What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, good morning, and welcome back to an update on the LDO token, which is the governance token of the Lido Dao. The Lido Dao is a decentralized finance application to stake your Ethereum already for right now the beacon chain of the Ethereum network, and that is going to be the normal Ethereum network after the merge. So after Ethereum 2.0, which at this point in time, excuse me, I think is planned for September. It's probably going to be a little bit later than that. But yeah, so I wanted to update it today because we're still maintaining these relatively high levels. And yesterday I actually listened to something quite interesting, which I'm going to look up for you really quickly on a podcast on Spotify. And that podcast is called Unchained, I think. Yeah, Unchained by Laura Shin, and they actually talked with two Ethereum community members, but also people that know a lot about blockchain, about what's going on with Lido Dao, right? Because Lido Dao right now is the main source that stakes Ether. I think it has a market dominance of about 70% of the staked Ethereum in the beacon chain. So when Ethereum actually becomes proof of stake, practically the Lido Dao has a lot to say about the whole network, which obviously brings some centralization issues to the surface. But apart from, yeah, that's the main thing. It's just it's not that hot of a topic, but it's definitely a very important topic to talk about, because that means that owning LDO, the LDO token, which is right now at a 500 million market cap, that governs the node operators of the Lido Dao, and those node operators operate the Ethereum network, at least a big part of it. So owning LDO gives you governance. If Lido Dao becomes the biggest in the Ethereum network, the LDO token gives you a lot of governance over the Ethereum network. So then a 500 million market cap might be a little bit low for the long term, but also for the next few months. So if we take a look at the short term, you can see that we still have a lot of bullish momentum, right? So that was just food for thought. If you're interested in blockchain technology and Ethereum, such like I am, so then something like that is very interesting. If we take a look at the short term, you can still see that we are in a very bullish market structure. We're holding the levels we broke. The EMAs we haven't even touched yet, still making higher lows. This could be considered as a lower low, but it's not settled yet because this was only one candle ago, right? This candle only closed about an hour ago, probably 2 hours ago when you're watching this video. So what I expect for now is that we'll reach $2, and then breaking $2 is going to be tough. I think we'll actually consolidate between $2 and $1.4. And then afterwards follow the market. So Bitcoin right now is at 23,000. If Bitcoin falls down to 20,000, Lido Dao is probably going to fall to that level between 1.1 and $1. And if Bitcoin actually gets a run up to 25,000, I still think we don't break $2, but there is a bigger chance. All right. So that's what I expect for now for Lido Dao. I think we'll reach $2 and then afterwards consolidate and follow the market. But obviously, for a little bit more of the long term, it is interesting to take a look at what happens if we break $2, because it's always a possibility. Definitely, if the Lido Dao actually, if the merge finally happens and Lido Dao has a lot of percentage over the over the dominance over the Ethereum network. So if $2 breaks, I mean, we can easily get up to 2.5. And I also think that level between $3 and 3.2 is reachable. Those would be the first two resistance levels. So that's a little bit more for the long term. If that actually happens, I mean, a lot of things can go wrong, and this doesn't necessarily have to happen, but I still wanted to talk about it a little bit. So yeah, for now, that's my analysis and some insights on the LDO token, Lido Dao token. So if you do have any questions about it, if you want to discuss some things, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.